Plan your school's asphalt and concrete maintenance for the summer. Summer is a good time for repairs on school campuses because there are fewer people around, making them less disruptive. Ensure the safety and functionality of your campus by addressing these important areas. Parking lots. Cracks and potholes can worsen over time, leading to costly repairs. Act fast to save money and maintain a smooth parking experience for students and staff. Playground and parking lot drainage. Long-standing puddles can indicate drainage issues that may lead to bigger problems. Address these concerns to prevent safety hazards. Sidewalks and pathways. Uneven surfaces can pose a tripping hazard. Protect your students, instructors, staff, and visitors by fixing these issues promptly. Parking lot lines. Faded or missing lines can impact safety and efficiency. Consider repainting or reimagining your parking lot layout for better organization. Accessibility features. Improve accessibility for patrons with disabilities by installing wheelchair ramps. Create an inclusive environment for all students. Asphalt Paving has nearly 5 decades of experience providing asphalt and concrete paving services for schools and universities. Contact us today at 703-491-9100 to ensure a safe and well-maintained campus for the upcoming school year.